Meaning of jellyfish.
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 Jellyfish. The term jellyfish refers to a type of aquatic animal that belongs to the phylum Cnidaria. They are characterized by their gelatinous and translucent bodies, which often have long, trailing tentacles that contain stinging cells used for capturing prey or self-defense. Some species of jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light, while others are known for their highly toxic and potentially deadly stings. Jellyfish are found in oceans and other bodies of water all over the world, and play an important role in marine ecosystems as a source of food for many larger predators.